Frontier Accelerate for Azure is a centerpiece of our pre-sales and delivery. At the end, we are using this for accelerating pre-sales, for being able to deliver low-risk proof of value into our customers using cloud, data, AI, and cybersecurity solutions.
We are using Frontier Accelerate for Azure to provide the funding to our clients. It's all about reducing the costs and the risks for our clients.
Why Frontier Accelerate for Azure is the fact that it simplifies the messaging. Throughout one motion, you have the ability to be able to understand what that modernizations look like, be able to test it out prior to committing to anything, all as part of the fact that Frontier Accelerate for Azure is making that possible through the planning phase, and then continuing that momentum through the execution phase.
So the top benefit for the clients is, on one side, the speed that they can gain using Frontier Accelerate for Azure. They don't have to wait so much with planning 5 years migration. They can just start with the assessment, MVPs, without having significant associated cost risks.
The good thing is that the funds were almost immediately approved, so we didn't require going through long approval life cycles, and the customer was really confident on how to use these funds for the project.